Diba ang balita, apat na yaya pa ang kasama ni Ellen ngayon. Sila talaga nagbigay ng mami niya. May apat na yaya. Pagkatapos merong nilipatan na bahay. Kasama pa yung allowance ni Lily. So secure siya. Wala siyang dapat na idiretso. Dahil alam niya, ang diretso ay hindi na dinediretso pa. Diba ang balita?
Pinalagan ni Ellen Adarna ang claim na good provider ang kanyang dating asawang si Derek Ramsey. Sa kanyang Instagram stories, nirepost ni Ellen ang isang video kung saan makikita siya, si Derek at ang anak nilang si Lily. Maririnig sa video ang voice-over ni Christopher Min na sinasabing nagbigay ang aktor at nanay nito ng apat na yaya at nilipatang bahay kay Ellen at may kasama pa raw allowance ni Lily. Nilagyan ni Ellen ang kanyang repost ng paglilinaw at pinalagan ang aniyay misleading and unfair na claim ni Fermin. What kind of foolishness is this, Christy Vermin? The claims being made are misleading and unfair. Let's set the record straight. Truth matters. Facts matter. And credit should always be given where it is due. Anya. Pagpapatuloy pa niya, last month I told his assistant, no sustento, no Lily. That's simple. I am not demanding anything beyond what is fair. But I will not allow a father to live comfortably just cooling his balls while having little to no contribution to his child because he gets to see her almost every day. Sinabi rin ni Ellen na nagbigay lang si Derek ng credit card matapos niya itong sabihan 2 linggo pa lang ang nakalipas. Dagdag pa niya, may 50,000 pesos limit pa ang ibinigay na credit card ni Derek na cover lang daw ang 55.80% ng kabuuang gastusin sa kanilang anak. Iginiit din niyang hindi si Derek o ang mother nito ang nagbabayad sa kanyang mga yaya at staff sa bahay kahit noong magkasama pa raw sila. Siya raw ang nagbabayad sa mga tauhan niya. May 5 siyang yaya, ang 2 ay kay Lily. Say pa ni Ellen, isang yaya lang daw ni Lily ang binabayaran ni na Derek. I paid for my own groceries and they did not provide a house for me. I did that myself. Let's not rewrite history, ani Ellen. Pagtatapos niya, let's stop being delusional and stop branding someone as a good provider when the numbers and reality say otherwise. A real provider doesn't wait to be called out. He gives willingly. He takes initiative. He doesn't rely on words, flexing, or public image. That's it, Pansit. Period! Sa huli, isa-isang sinagot ni Ellen ang mga katanungan ng kanyang followers, particular na sa sustento ng mga ama ng kanyang anak. Malayong malayo di umano ang pagkakaiba nila Derek Ramsey at John Lloyd Cruz.
Yes, nanay-nanayan siya, anak-anakan siya. I don't know what they're, but I know they're close. And Vermin is doing the dirty work for him, di ba? Bango-bango ng pangalan niya pag si Vermin ang nagsalita. So, I don't appreciate it na like that because if they're close, he can just call her up and say, hey, stop it. I'm still his wife. That's my wife. Can stop it. But no. So it's like smear campaigns. He's asking people to do the dirty work for him. And it's such a pathetic, bitchy move. It's at least have the balls to do it yourself. Man up. Siya at yung mga fans lang niya. When you're so delulu, and then you're so used to lying, you start to believe in your own lies. So, 'di ba? Kung quiet na lang unta siya, di ta ma-trigger din di mangangkon, di magpaka-feeling na dato kay siya, di ba ma-trigger kayo Katingog ta, Piragaba din ta. You're a deep thinker. You analyze. You do your research and you think. Forgiveness is only for the people who deserve it and who ask for it and really change. But I'm not Mother Teresa, bye. I'm not there yet. Since October last year, he hasn't given. So October, November, December, January. So came January, I had it. My family was like, nope, don't tolerate that shit. If he doesn't give anything, then no Lily. That's simple. So that's when I called them out and I think they panic. Well, nothing man. So there. 2 weeks ago, less than 2 weeks ago, the credit card arrived. Yun na yan. And then grabe magka-flex, bili ng cars and all that. So, you know, you see where his priorities are. Like, oh my God. Well, to be fair, he said he gave milk and diapers last November or October, but I don't know. We didn't see it because I'm the type that I hoard. I hoard milk, I hoard diapers. I mean, diba? I even hoard makeup. What more food and stuff for my children? So, hindi namin yun nakita, hindi namin ma-trace. Sana he can provide receipts, so, you know, it's there, but he said that he sent milk and diapers in October. So, there. I will not discredit that. And, I think this month, he bought milk daw. That's good for 2 months, but I already bought also. Good for 3 months. So, it's not here with me. So, there. So, let's not discredit that also that he bought daw. So, there. Well, this is not the first time. You should research about what happened to his first wife and his son. Go deep into that. It's a pattern. Because Elias was only a toddler at the time. He was in schooling and I was in Cebu. When I'm in Cebu, everything is taken care of. My house, bills, driver, yes, it's all paid for a company. So my only gastos when I was in Cebu there was only my groceries. So it was fair, no? Na yun lang. Actually, I didn't ask for 20. I only asked for 10. But since it was John Lloyd who insisted, he'll double the amount. So from 10,000, he wanted to double it, naging 20. So yeah, so that explains it. Okay? There. Well, there was food, no? But like sometimes makulang. Like the first 2 years in the marriage, like pag nakulang, I buy. I make abono. Because his mom was in charge of the groceries from start to finish of the marriage. So the first 2 years, I buy my own. Kasi kulang, Alias has his own, Alias is provided. Kasi nakahiya naman, diba, na parang nakiride on lang na provided naman siya kay JL. So, and I buy groceries for my staff. And my tampons, my toiletries, you know that I buy for myself. So, yeah, it was just... Hi, Selen. Tell your mom to visit us. Come visit us. Ay, buti ka pa. Ako never. Well, at the time, October, November, December, I was okay with it because, it didn't really bother me because kaya ko naman eh. I mean, I can support Liana myself. But then it was my family who like knocked some sense into my head over the holidays when we spoke about it. They were like, what? Wala pa siyang bigay? You know what? Parang like, kung wala siyang bigay, then no, don't let him see Lily. Simple as that. Don't beg. Don't ask for anything. But if he doesn't give, then no Lily. Diba? Parang, kasi naswerte? Tama lang naman. So there, when I told them January na, yun na yung rules ko. Kung hindi kayo magbigay, din walang Lily. So, yun, dumating yung credit card 2 weeks ago. In fairness talaga kay JL Deke, wala akong masabi. Hindi na kailangan, pagsabihan. And wag niyo na itong gawang chismis ha, because JL and I are better off as co-parents, as in, super okay kami sa co-parenting namin. Chika lang. So when he found out that we moved houses, of course, Elias, anak niya kasama. You know what? He offered like, Len, kung ano man kailangan nyo, just let me know. Baka makatulong kami. Ganun, diba? Nagkusa. No. So there, iba't iba talaga ang taong ganyan. Yung kusa and, what is it? Meanwhile, yung isa, hinamon pa ng suntukan yung isang kapatid ko who's like half his age.